morning, children. Very good morning, second class children. So I hope everyone is ready, right? Okay. So yesterday what teacher had taught you about plants are, how the plants are useful. Okay. So what we learned that previous? Yes, we had learned about the flowers, root vegetables, stem vegetables, and how in which way we use the flowers and fruits and leaves. Okay, so we eat the leaves of some plants, flowers and fruits. So we had learned all these things in the last session, but now in this class I am going to explain about, okay, about what, how, from where do we get tea, coffee, okay, then what is sugar. Okay, so these are the things from where do we get. Let me start. Okay, I'll explain you in very detailed way. Now see here, we get coffee. You had learned all the vegetables, fruits, isn't it? You know that from where do we get the fruits and vegetables, from where do you get all the things, you got it. But tell me about the tea and coffee. Yes, very good children. So tea we get from where? Tea leaves. Okay, we get from the tea from tea plant. Okay, so now listen here, this is the tea plant. So we get tea powder. From where we get the tea powder? Tea leaves. Okay, so tea leaves, from tree leaves we get the tea powder. Okay, so the next one, coffee. From where do we get coffee? Coffee, we get coffee from coffee berries. It is also one type of coffee seeds. Okay, so coffee seeds. If you crush the seed, no, you can make it as a coffee powder. Okay, మీరు అందరూ ఇంట్లో కాఫీ పౌడర్ తాగుతారు కదా, అది ఎక్కడి నుంచి వస్తుంది? It is also one type of fruit. It is a coffee berries. What is this? Coffee berries. That comes under what? Seed. Coffee seed. If you crush the seed, no, you will get the powder. So we get coffee from coffee powder. We get tea from tea leaves. We get tea from tea leaves. మనకు టీ ఆకు ఎండిన తర్వాత దాన్ని పౌడర్ చేస్తారు, అర్థమైందా? So they'll make it as a tea leaves. What? They'll dry the leaves and they'll make it as a powder. So from where do we get the tea leaves? Tea powder, tea leaves. Okay, so we have seen the tea plant. Okay, now coffee. We get coffee from where? Coffee berries. It is also one type of coffee seeds. If you crush the seed, ఆ సీడ్ ని అంటే మిషన్ లో అవన్నీ వేసి దాన్ని ఏమైతారు, సీడ్స్ మొత్తం మిషన్ లో పెట్టేస్తారు. ఆల్ దే విల్ keep the entire seeds, they'll keep it in the machine. Okay, then afterwards what happened? They'll crush that seeds and later on what do you get? You will get the powder, that is coffee powder. Is it clear now? Okay, next, what about sugar? From where do we get sugar? Sugar we get from sugarcane plant. Okay, that before we had learned, no, about the stem vegetables, stem fruits, like that. So this is also a sugarcane. Okay, so we get sugar from where? Sugarcane. We get sugar from sugarcane. Not only sugar, jaggery. It is helpful to make what? Jaggery too, bellamu. Okay, so those things are prepared by, it is done by what? They prepare the sugar and jaggery. Yes, from where do we get the sugar? We get sugar from sugarcane. Even jaggery also prepared by what? How they will get jaggery? From sugarcane. Is it clear? So what I mean to say, so today what we learn? We get tea from tea leaves, we get coffee from coffee berries, and we get sugar from sugarcane. Okay, the next one is medicines. You know, some plants give us medicines. Okay, can you guess what is the teacher? Medicinal plants. What are the medicinal plants? Which type of medicines you are getting? Do you have any idea? No, మీకు తెలీదా? మనకు ప్లాంట్స్ నుంచి మందులు కూడా తయారవుతుంది, మెడిసిన్స్ తయారవుతుంది. ఏంటి అవి చెప్పండి, హూ కెన్ సే? Yes, I think someone is giving the answer very fast. Tulsi. First one is what? Tulsi. Tulsi is also one of the medicinal plant. And other than that, neem. వేపాకు ఉంది కదా, neem tree. Neem leaf is also, it comes under medicinal plants. Then what about eucalyptus? Eucalyptus is also one of the medicinal plant. Okay. So some few plants comes under what? Medicinal plants. Okay. Now the next one, fibers. What are fibers? From where do we get the fiber? Yes, exactly. You will get from where? Cotton and jute. Okay. It is a thread like structure. మనకి దూది నుంచి ఏం వస్తుంది? మనకి కాటన్ బట్టలు వేసుకుంటాం కదా. From where? How? Yes, you get the fiber from where? Cotton and jute. Okay. Okay. ఈ jute ఎక్కడి నుంచి వస్తుంది? Coconut. Have you seen the coconut tree? మనకి నార వస్తుంది కదా. You will have seen the coils. Thin coils you can see. చెట్ల నుంచి మనకి coils thin layer గా వస్తుంది. Okay. దాంతో ఏం చేస్తారు? Jute. What they will prepare? Jute. Okay. So cotton and jute, it is helpful to what? To make cloth. To make cloth. So we get coffee from coffee seed. We get tea from tea leaves. We get sugar from sugar cane. And medicines from medicinal plant. Example, neem, tulsi and eucalyptus. Fibers. For why we need the fibers? To prepare, to make a cloth. What is the cloth? Which type of cloth? Cotton and jute. Okay. So this is understand now for you. Is it clear now? The next one I am going to explain about the, wait children, just a minute. Now let me discuss about the wood. Okay. Let me discuss about wood. From where do we get the wood? Yes, we get wood from, yes, anyone can guess? ఈ wood అంటే ఏంటి? చెక్క. ఎక్కడి నుంచి వస్తుంది? We get wood from where? Walnut. What is that? Walnut. Okay. Then next one, teak. So some few names are there. So how they are useful? To make furnitures. To make furniture, table, chairs, ఇవన్నీ చేస్తారు కదా. మీ బెంచెస్, స్కూల్ బెంచెస్ ఉంది, రాయడానికి మీరు పెట్టుకుంటారు. రైటింగ్ బెంచెస్, సిట్టింగ్ బెంచెస్, isn't it? Even teachers tables are there. So all they are made with what? Wood. Okay. Even your doors, your windows, ఇంట్లో ఉన్న sofa furnitures, all they are made up of what? Wood. So it, from where do you get the wood? From walnut, teak. Walnut and teak. Okay. So it wood is help to what? To make furniture. Wood is help us to make, help us to what? For to make furniture. For us to make furniture, isn't it? Okay. Now again once again I will revise this session now. The next one I will tell you tomorrow. I will explain in the next class very detailed. Some more exercises are there. Tomorrow I will explain. Today this is enough. I am taking bit wise. First bit I had shown you about the, I explained about the root and stem, isn't it? First I had taught you about root and stem. Then I explained about the, in which way we eat the leaves of plants and flowers and fruits. So I had shown these differences. Leaves, flowers, okay, fruit. So how, in which way we are using? Even seeds. Seeds also we have seen. Seeds. Okay, seeds, fruits and oil. I had explained about all those exercise. About the leaves, flowers, fruits, seeds and oil. Okay. Now today what we learned now, just now what I taught you about, not only wood, that before we learned about the tea. From where do we get tea? Coffee. Yes. Then what else I taught you? Not only tea and coffee. One more thing what we learned? Fiber. What is that? Fiber. Okay. So we learned. Now we had discussed about the wood. Okay. Now I had shown about the wood. Listen children. Okay. Listen second class children. Once again I will explain you. So first session teacher explained about the root and stem, isn't it? Second session again I explained about the seeds. Okay. How the seeds are helpful, in which way we are using it. Okay. Seeds of what? Cereals and pulses. Cereals and pulses. Seeds under comes under two, that is cereals and pulses. Pulses are nothing but what? What are they? that is dal. And what about this one, cereals? They comes under what? Rice, wheat and maize. Okay, fine, very good children. What about we eat the leaves of some plants? We had learned we eat the leaves of some plants. What are the leaves? Cabbage, spinach, isn't it? Then lettuce. We eat the flowers of some plants. Which flower? Cauliflower, broccoli. Then what about the fruit? We eat the fruits of some plants. What are they? What are they? Cauliflower. Which flower? That is fruits. What are which type of fruits we are using? Apple, papaya. Yes. Then you can say mango too. Okay. Oil. Oil are nothing but we are using for what? To make it oil. From where do we get the oil? Okay. You tell me, from where do we get the oil? Yes. From seeds. Very good. From where do we get the seeds? Yes, that is groundnut, sunflower. So many things are there, but I had shown only three. That is sunflower, groundnut and mustard. Okay, only three example I had shown. Even coconut also you will get coconut from coconut oil, isn't it? So, but here I had shown the three example for oil. Now, today what I taught you about tea, coffee, fiber and wood. From where do we get tea? From tea leaves. Okay. టీ పౌడర్ ఎక్కడి నుంచి వస్తుంది? టీ ఆకుతోటి చేస్తారు. ఓకే. కాఫీ బెర్రీస్, కాఫీ సీడ్, ఫైబర్. Yes, fiber is meant to make a cloth. From which, what are they? Cotton and jute. Wood. What is that wood? To make furniture, table, chairs, isn't it? Example, that is, from where do we get this wood? Which tree? Walnut, teak. Shisham is also there, but I had given the two examples, that is walnut and teak. Okay, is it clear children? So tomorrow teacher will explain with the next class. Okay, so be ready for this and prepare it properly and revise it. Just listen the class carefully. Okay, so please try to understand the lesson. Okay, clear children now? So I hope this class is very clear for you, second class. Okay, thank you children. Take care. Bye.